Intermittent firing has been going on from the park side. 31st night was very heavy firing. Presently, last night there was some firing, but after midnight there has been no firing. And BSF is retaliating whenever fire has been coming from the other side.
There has been a provocation. Now there is an escalation. We have seen that 2 of the BSF jawans have even lost their life. And what actually the steps you are going to silence the Pakistani guns? Has there been an instruction from the government side to be more aggressive to cater to this problem?
You see, what is the provocation we do not know. But since they have been firing, they initiated the fire. We have been retaliating. We have been mandated to protect the border. We have been mandated to protect ourselves. We have been mandated to protect the population living in the border area. And this is what the BSF is doing, and we are doing it quite befittingly.
सर, पाकिस्तान की तरफ से लगातार घुसपैठ करने की कोशिश की जा रही है, BSF और क्रॉस फायरिंग भी हो रही है, तो ऐसे में इस हालात को देखते हुए क्या कर रहे हैं आप और आगे की क्या कार्रवाई होगी?
No, there appears to be a definite attempt of infiltration because since 31st night we have for sure foiled 3-4 attempts of infiltration. We have a good proof of that. What we feel that this could be one of the reasons for provocation. And we are on alert, we are watching out, and whenever we feel that there is infiltration bid, we are doing the needful.
Trying to put across a group of militants for carrying out some, border bad actions. What can you share with us on that? Because we know you stopped a few infiltration bids. What is more, because in Armia there was an infiltration bid which was followed by a big encounter.
You see, we do not know whether bad action will take place or not. They are trying all possible things, infiltration, plan for bad action. But as I said that so far perhaps they have not succeeded in any kind of infiltration in this area.
Pakistani regulars have occupied many of the Pakistani Rangers posts, and the firing is right now going on. The way, the pattern of the firing shows that it's the Pakistani regulars on that side. What you can share on this?
You are yourself saying that the pattern of the firing indicates that the regular army is firing. I won't like to make any comment. So far, it's very difficult for us to say anything conclusively.
But जिस प्रकार से फायरिंग लगातार की जा रही है बॉर्डर पर और मिलिटेंटों को घुसपैठ कराने की कोशिश की जा रही है, तो क्या ये माना जाए कि पाकिस्तानी सेना या पाकिस्तानी रेंजर्स मिलिटेंटों को घुसपैठ कराने के लिए उनका पूरा सहयोग है और वो उन्हें घुसपैठ कराने के लिए इस तरह की फायरिंग कर रहे हैं?
I won't like to comment anything until I get some confirmed input. So far we don't have.
इंटरनेशनल बॉर्डर एक्टिव क्यों गया? क्यों एक्टिव है? क्योंकि मूवमेंट शुरू हो गया इंटरनेशनल बॉर्डर के उस साइड काफी मूवमेंट है. कितने मिलिटेंट एक्टिव हैं? क्या यही कारण है कि इन्फिल्ट्रेशन की जाए कि फॉग है या आपका जो soft targets है उनको किया जाए?
You see, there is no single provocation. There is no single reason for escalation of this tension in this area. There could be multiple reasons. Infiltration could be one of them. There could also be a possibility that they are trying to divert the attention of Peshawar incident, because after all they are also accountable to their public. Peshawar incident was very widely criticized. Maybe they are trying to divert the attention. Maybe it's run up to the Republic Day, which is not very far. So there could be so many reasons, but these are all conjectures and speculations.
The American Prime of Pakistan is also related somewhere to the US President Barack Obama's visit to India.
It could be anything. I just said that we don't know it for sure as to why it is happening, but there could be multiple reasons.
Mr. Pathak, is there any attempt so far for any flag meeting or any communication or any?
All right, that was the DG of BSF, DK Pathak, saying that intermittent firing has been reported since the 31st night, also saying that the Pakistani army is probably trying to divert attention from the Peshawar incident or just trying to create tension in India and the run-up to Republic Day. We'll continue tracking developments.